All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Do you know that Dogelon Mars was the most viewed cryptocurrency in North America? Yep, the most viewed, even though it's past 100. Sometimes it's 120, sometimes 117, sometimes 140. Not even in the top 100. It's the most viewed cryptocurrency in North America. That should tell you something. You think that coin's gonna? Well, right now the coin's up. We're gonna kind of go over that. We're also kind of go to their website, go to their Twitter, check out what's going on with Dogelon Mars. Also, we're gonna go look at crypto bubbles. Pretty cool platform to look at your different cryptos, which ones you like, top 100, top 200, Binance, this and that. I'm going to kind of go through a minute or two of that. And then also a 24-year-old who's made $300,000 making NFTs and putting her art to NFTs. And a month earlier, she didn't even know what NFTs were. So we're going to cover all kinds of good stuff on this episode. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day own cryptocurrency, know what you're looking for, how to look at your charts, all the different things you need to do. We like to bring you hot, good stuff, what's going on in crypto. All right, Dogelon Mars, the most viewed cryptocurrency in North America. Let's head on over. We'll do a price prediction when we're done, too. All right, coin market cap, Dogelon Mars, 129th right this second. Very nice looking at this. Green, up 16%, 15.93%, up 16% in the last 7 days, up 5% in the last 24 hours. Fantastic. Clicking it. Getting over here to the right, up 5%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and at 88.32. We'll come to our price prediction in a little bit. Take a look at this. In the last day, it's been going up real nice. Take a look in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, it was down here. It's kind of jumped up real nice and stuff like that. Dogelon Mars. Now, what's our highlight? Dogelon Mars emerges as the most viewed crypto in North America. Holy cow, there's more people looking at Dogelon Mars than anything. Inspired by Elon Musk and his favorite crypto, Dogecoin, Dogelon Mars, some people call it Dogelon Mars, enters the cryptoverse. Even though the asset's ranking over 100, remember I was just talking about that, North America seems to be quite curious about this meme coin. And notice it says it's a meme coin, so Dogelon Mars about this meme coin. The meme coin buzz has taken over the entire globe. Almost every meme coin started out as a joke, but eventually ended up Dogelon Mars enters the market along with a coin like Baby Doge and Satama. Somebody said Satama Inu dropped their Inu, but I keep seeing things that says Satama Inu. Is it just Satama? Says it right here. Despite being fairly new, the meme coin topped CoinMarketCap's list is the highest viewed coin in North America. Dogelon Mars emerged as an undefeated champ as it bagged its first rank with huge disparity. The altcoin had a total of 67,000 views. The second most viewed coin was Solana at 21,000. So it trumped it. 67,000 views. Solana 21,000. Not even close there. There we go. Yeah, I was looking at this chart the other day and they had Dogelon at number 10 there and I was confused. But no, it was the most viewed. Look at that. Dogelon Mars, most viewed token in North America. Solana's number 2. Now, if more people are checking out the Dogelon Mars, more people are buying the Dogelon Mars. It's up 16%. What do you think is going to happen to the coin in the next 2 or 3 months? Again, all my information is for educational purposes only, but there's more people looking at this. I mean, and by a landslide, too. It's not like 27 and 37. It's like 27 and 67. So Solana's a fantastic coin, but more and more people are looking at the Dogelon Mars. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's go check out Crypto Bubbles. All right, we're over here at Crypto Bubbles, cryptobubbles.net, and look, it has all your different cryptos, and this is, I got over here in the top 100. So top 100, well now since we're on Dogelon, let's go to the top 200. And now it actually puts 200 of them. And now you got to find, and look at Elon I actually got it as my favorite, so it's yellow. So if I couldn't find it, look, I hit Elon, and it pulls it up right there. It's a ranked 143, the market cap 489, 24th volume, you know, all the different stats. Right here, the week, it's up 16.7% for the week. For the month, though, it's down 47%. For the year, up 832%. Pretty good statistic to look at. Like, let's check out Anchor real quick. Look at Anchor for the year is up 396%. For the week, it's up 30%. So, but also, the reason I'm showing you this, so over to the right here, look, I got the top 100, and boom, there's the top 100. If there was a coin in the 400s, you could do top 400, and then, yeah, and look at the bigger ones right here. MCW, plus 151. Just by clicking the 400, you may not even know what MCW is. You click it. Wow, look at in the week, it's up 151. For the year, it's down 40%, and for the month, it's down 7%. Look at the CRA. Now, CRA, everything's green over here. So it's a great way to find cryptos that you maybe don't know. So I'm kind of dropping this down. Look, you can go to the top 1,000. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of things. Look at all these different ones. Plus 77%, plus 172%. But I also wanted to do this. Look, you can go to Binance. Drop it down to Binance. And it has the Binance coins that are on here. Pretty awesome. You can also drop it down to KuCoins. It's going to have the different coins that KuCoins has. You know, same thing. Look, you click it. It's got the same statistics, what it's up for the week, for the year, so forth and so on. Over here to the right, FTX. If you wanted to check what FTX has, look at Peoples. What's Peoples? Boom, you click it. It's up 2,300% for the year. Maybe it's worth interesting. So it traded about 9 cents. I mean, just the simplicity of the crypto bubbles. Maps, 178%. So I just wanted to share this. I was talking with some few people. They never heard of crypto bubbles. Just think this is a very nice platform, very easy. Over here to the right, you can also change it to your different currencies. I got it in USD right now. Coinbase, drop it to Coinbase. Again, you can have your favorites. I only got one in there right now, but if I had 20 favorites in there, list my 20 favorites. You know, let's do that. Let's make sand one of my favorites. Boom, and now I'm going to have 2 of my favorite. So look, now I got 2 of my favorite. So let's go to the top. Let's go to my top 100 here. So, you know, what do I like? Everybody likes Solana, so let's make Solana one of my favorites. You know, Mana, people like Mana because of the metaverse. We're going to do that. You know, Crow, people like Crow. Just throw that in there. Let's see what else. You know, you got your Bitcoin, of course. People love it. Oh, I like some Uniswap, too. Let's throw some Uniswap in there. Okay, so now when I go ahead and I click my favorites, you know, it's got my favorites bouncing around. So, you know, I just built that on the fly real quick so you guys can see it. Just thought crypto bubbles is kind of cool. If you never used it before, definitely check it out. All right, a little crypto bubbles. Dogelon Mars, most viewed cryptocurrency in North America. Boom, 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 by a landslide. Well, 24-year-old minting NFTs, making $300,000. She's trying to inspire people. Let's bring her story out to everybody. All right, the 24-year-old artist has made over $300,000 in 10 months selling NFTs. I hope to inspire more creators who are of color. All right, there she is. She's definitely an artist. She's got some great work. It says right here, since February, Lana Dinina has earned over $300,000 selling her NFTs, a non-fungible token on her various platforms. But only a month earlier, she began learning what they were. At the time, I didn't even know anything about the blockchain. The 24-year-old tells CNBC Makes It. She started looking into it, and her mind was blown. It was completely revolutionary. As a painter, Dinina was instantly impressed with the technology and ability to act as a vehicle for proof of ownership for the artist. Traditionally, galleries are kind of like the old world since there isn't much diversity. Dinina says, I never felt fully attracted to it, especially a woman of color. Unlike traditional markets of art, NFTs and Web3 allows the artists to create their own galleries and set their own price online. Dinina explains, artists can also earn royalties on the secondary sales on the work of NFTs. Dinina herself earns 10%. She says, I hope to inspire more creators who look like me and step a foot into tech, she says. She's got some fantastic work, so hey, look at that. Dinina, who's based in Montreal, Canada, sells NFTs, paintings she created one by one, but later began entire collections. Over here, she says she minted her most recent collection called the Mona Lana. In November, she sold out within weeks. The Mona Lana collection included 500 unique portraits of women created by Danina. Each portion was generated by code with 112 different traits. Pretty tech there. It took off very fast, and she was really surprised. So she's definitely doing fantastic. Again, some of her work, fantastic job. 24-year-old artist makes over $300,000 in 10 months selling NFTs. The key thing to that is you can do anything you want. So if you want to do it, learn how to do it, watch some videos, find out some friends, join some groups that are into it, and give it a try. I mean, she's definitely inspiring people and making it happen. So, all right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars, little price prediction, the crypto bubbles. Also right here on Dogelon's Twitter page, Dogelon Mars is back in the top 10 purchase tokens by 1,000 ETH whale wallets. Dogelon price is 5.3% up at the current rate. And guess what? Whales are loving the Dogelon Mars. And again, we just talked about it. This is the most viewed token in North America, Dogelon Mars. 67,000 views to number 2 Solana at 21,000. Great job, Dogelon Mars. Always like to look at the website. It's got a brand new website from a month and a half ago. You got 6 different platforms right at the bottom there where you can buy your Dogelon Mars. Crypto.com, Uniswap, Huobi, Gemini, KuCoins, OKEX. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. What's our price prediction? Look how close it is. It's 88. Our prediction, it's going to crush just next zero here. It only needs to increase it by 12. But we know it's going to, our prediction, it's going to increase. It's going to crush one of these zeros. It's going to have 5 zeros. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. It's up 5% in the last 24 hours, and it's up 16%. 16% in the last 7 days. Hey, right below it, Lost is up 19%. And take a look at Peoples. Holy cow, Peoples is up 133%. All right, everybody, crypto bubbles. Check it out. Make your favorites. Pretty nice platform to use. Dogelon Mars, the most viewed cryptocurrency in North America. And somebody who's following her dreams. 24-year-old. She's minting NFTs. Made $300,000 in the last 10 months. Don't forget to click the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. And we will see you a little bit later on today.